开了是吗？哪我们了？啊，我们在这儿了。OK, good. OK, 好的，好，我们开始喽，嘉宾，我们开始喽。Let's, I think, okay, switch to, okay, great, yeah. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, I'm Tian.
I'm Jiaming.
Okay, first of all, I have to ask you to mute all yourself so everybody can hear us clearly. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm Tian.
I'm Jiaming.
Welcome to us
Science Club.
Okay. Jiaming, have you ever stacked blocks, boxes, or books ever? Yes, I think most of us have done this before. But have you ever stacked liquids?
No.
No, I guess not. It's not usually we can do. So today we are going to stack up liquids to make a liquid density tower. So now I move this solid thing away. Yeah. What we need today is here.
Yummy honey.
Yummy honey and
Syrup.
syrup. Can you help me to pass through? What's this, Jiaming? Washing liquid. Yeah. And of course, our important water and some oil, vegetable oil. Yeah. So first you need to bring up glass. Glasses. I'm using my wine glass. It's transparent. It's tall. And it's quite thin, so you can see it clearly. I'm going to start by pouring honey into this glass. And it is very important to pour the liquids carefully into the center of the glass. Yeah, make sure the honey does not touch the sides while you are pouring. So I'm going to ask Jiaming to do it. Yeah, Jiaming, be careful. Slowly, take your time. Oh, well done. And I didn't bring my meter, but we are going to have a 1 inch at steady and thick base. Small?
Oh,
Yeah.
enough.
Enough. Okay. Yeah. All right. Well done. Good job. Okay. So this is our first layer, honey, because honey has the highest density. And now we are going to use the syrup. Yeah, but our syrup is, I help you. This syrup is transparent. There's no color, so I'm going to color it. So make our column tower, make our density tower more dramatic, more colorful and beautiful. So what color you drop? So red color, food color, and Jiaming going to mix it. Give us the, oops, hopefully it's not too much. Well done, good. Ah, sorry. Oh dear.
Red syrup.
Red syrup. Okay, I think that's good. Can you pour the syrup into on the first layer? Again, try not to let the syrup touch the sides of the container as you are pouring. The key is to pour slowly and evenly. So well done, good job. You're good at it, Jiaming. I think that's good enough. It's a bit too much, but that's fine. Okay, wow. Can you zoom in so we can see it clearly? We got 2 layers. How about you doing? It's good. So we can, if you see some bubbles or fluctuation, just give it a little bit more time. few seconds, it will be stabilized. Okay, good. I'm just going to see what's everybody else doing. Okay, good. We all got 2 layers. Fantastic. Now we are going to the third layer. And remember, the layers, the order is very important. If you mess up the order, and it's going to fail. So the third layer, we are going to use washing up liquid. Again, trying to pull it into the center. Oops. Oops, Jamie. I can help you. Oops. Slowly, carefully. Do not rush. Starting to start it up.
I can smell apple.
You can smell apple. It's apple smell. It's lemon smell, isn't it? I don't know why we. Well, it's beautiful. Anyway, it's a bit. I didn't do it as well as good as Jiaming, so there's a lot of bubbles here, if you can see. But it's a beautiful 3 layer. We got 3 layers. The first layer is
Honey.
second layer is
Syrup.
syrup. The third layer is washing up liquid.
Like
And we got the 3. Yeah, I knew, Johnny. And we got the 3 layers and colorful. So it's good. So far, so good. And the next one will be water, I guess. So, and the water is transparent. So to good impression, I'm going to give some colors. What color do you like?
Thirsty.
You are thirsty. You can drink it. I think it's a new bottle. Okay. Blue. Oh, Cameron make the water blue. I think that do the work. Shall we do it blue as well?
Yes.
Okay. I got my blue here. Give a few drops.
1 drop.
I don't know. I do it. Well, let's see. It's not too much.
I can see a little bit.
Ooh.
Too much.
Maybe it's okay. This blue water will be our. Jiaming, listen. Will be our 4th layer. So from this point forward, it's okay to let the liquid touch the side of the cylinder. And in fact, it's a must. We must to pull like very slowly because it could mix with the washing up liquid. So we need to do it slowly and then trying to not disturb other layers. So I'm going to do this.
Slowly, slow.
I use a chopsticks to lead our liquid. Hopefully,
Apple liquid.
yeah, it's gonna work. So this is our 4th layer. Have you seen? It's beautiful.
I need this water.
No, you can't drink it, Jiaming. Oh well, it's maybe okay. We leave it here and you can play later on, okay? So now we got 4 layers, and the last layer will be oil, vegetable oil. Let me see others. Oh, okay. Everybody's on track. Aria, how's you doing? Okay, good. Okay, now let's try oil. Jiaming, would you like to try oil? And oh, I think I'm still going to use my chopsticks to lead the oil. Make it putting it aside along the side of the glass because oil is bit tricky. Oh no, I messed up. I know it's gonna happen. Oh dear, I messed it up. Oh no.
Why not one?
Well, but it's not bad. Oops. Oh dear. Everywhere. But it's an experiment. That's gonna happen. So I do it a bit in rush, so you can see a lot of bubbles, but it's pretty, it's beautiful. Huh? So, how about you? Now you got another job to do. I got you something to do. Let's wait. Everybody, we are on the same stage. So now you can see we have the beautiful 5 layers and a talk on each other. So the lighter liquid will go on the top, and the bottom liquid is the heaviest one, which means it has the highest density, is the most dense liquid at the bottom. And if we give them a few minutes, it's going to stabilize and becomes clear, transparent, nice, colorful uh, density tower. And now we are going to test different objects. If you can collect objects from around your house, and you can put this into the your tower density tower and see which layer your object will stay. So I got something. What do we have here, Jamie? You need to explain what we have here. I have a boat. Yeah, and I'm going to drop the boat into the tower and see where it's going to stay.
I think it's going to the bottom.
You think, oh yes, directly drop sink at the bottom. Jamie, wait, can we wait? So we put a steel bolt in our density tower because it's very heavy, so it goes to the bottom. And the second one, what do we have here, Jamie?
I know what it is. It's a
Oops,
blueberry.
sorry. Drop it down. We got the blueberry. You can use grapes as well or some nuts. And would you like to do it, Jamie? So we drop the blue into our density tower. Ooh, wow. Oh, this one is floating in the middle of water layer. Anything else? We got almond. Almond. We can put the almond in. Wow, the almond is much. It's thinking. Oh, the blueberry is thinking. I think the blueberry is absorbing some water liquid, so it's thinking. That's interesting. Hmm? Okay, I put this a bit up so you can see it's more clearer. And is it better? Okay. What's this, Yami? You need to.
Dice.
Oh, we have a dice made of plastic. If we drop the dice in,
It goes to the.
and by the way, when you drop something, do it slowly. Otherwise, you're going to mix up the liquids, maybe broke up your in the oil layer at the moment.
And a little boat.
A little boat made of the uh, water bottle lid. It's supposed to stay on top of the everything, but it's sinking because there's a oil inside. So yeah, this is our density tower today. So just to clarify, what the density is. So the density is the weight, the mass of objects is divided by volume, the size of the object. So if we have same volume of the stuff, the heavier one has a higher density, which will always at the bottom, and the lighter weight of the object will floating on the top of the heavier, denser layer. So that is the density, and the density can floating on top of each other and make our the density tower. And please feel free to test the different liquid and the small objects around your house and just feel the different weight and the different density. Okay, so that is the experiments from us today. Do you have any questions, Yami?
Bye. And where is the end sign?
The end sign, I don't really know. So now I'm going to unmute everybody so we can have a little discussion. among each other. And by the way, last time a lot of the kids shared their reports. Aria, I saw your reports. Amazing, impressive, very well done. Please continue to do it. Toby, oh, Toby, well done. Oh, you got very professional experimental tube. I like it. Oh, you got 4 layers. Oh, the bricks. Oh, good. Well done, Toby. What do you have? Do you use? Oh, hurry. Good. I can't see your density tower camera. Ah, Benjamin, it's beautiful. You got pink thing. Yilin. Oh, Yilin. Wow, Yilin calling from Shanghai, China. Hi, Yilin. IT is enjoying sunshine outside, but you got a beautiful density tower. Oh, hello, Qin Qin. Hi, Qin Qin. Oh, it's Qin Qin calling from Beijing, China. Oh, you got professional kit. Very well done. It's better than mine. 等一下。And again, if you can write down what you have observed today, that will be very interesting. Well, keep your record, and you will remember what you have done during the SAM isolation. And please feel free to share with me so I can present your report at the beginning of the session. By the way, Aria, have you seen your reports I presented? You missed it? Oh, that's fine. Next time. Yeah, but I'm sure somebody else has seen. Yeah, it's brilliant. Very well done. Okay. Are you not going to join the session, Jami? Don't want to say hi to friends? Yeah, hi. Hmm? Oh, pudding? Wow, it's pudding. It's beautiful, like cocktail. Gambe. Cheers. Mm. Oh yes, that's how the cocktail works. If you could, I guess you could stack up like your orange liquid and alcohol spirit and make a cocktail. It's basically the theory, scientific theory behind the cocktail. Mm. Jiaming's still more interested in the solid stacking project. Everybody is getting there. All make your own density towers. Very well done. Mhm. 好的，OK. I think I have to say goodbye to my YouTube audience. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Jiaming, would you like